What's up, everyone? Next week here, it's Monday. We're in the Carlton Gardens today. And you'll see we came here to see the Aborigine Museum part. But right now we're just exploring everything. So you'll see all those clips thrown in after this. I didn't record anything this morning because I just didn't have time. I was just trying to make it here. But so you'll see all that stuff, and we're just gonna keep exploring this place. We got in for free with the class, so we'll see what we can find around here, and keep showing you as much as possible. Alright, so we're in the Bugs Alive part. I've never felt so uncomfortable in my life. There's beetles everywhere. The live spiders and all the spiders are killing me. I could barely go near them. But so I don't think we'll be in this part too long. It's really bothering me. My stomach is tight. I hate looking at the spiders, but it's interesting still, kind of.
The bullseyes and the gobbleguts.
Australians.
Okay, so I'm not out of the museum. See the guards in the background. That's the museum over there. We pretty much went to every part of the museum that I could find. I went through it all, tried to see as much as I could. I got little parts of it that I'm gonna put all together, and we'll be able to see how it looks. I don't know how long it'll be. I don't know how many clips I actually took, but we'll have to move them all over. But it was a cool museum. I'm pretty sure it's free to get in, but I might be wrong. I heard you also have to pay, but the teacher said it was free. I mean, we got in for free anyway today, but it was cool. They have a cool IMAX here. I might have to come back, but yeah. I don't really know what else I'll do today. All I have is work to do, so probably walk back, get some food, or make some food, and then, I don't know, do some programming or something. It's kind of cloudy, it's not the best day out, so probably just do some work. But, I mean, so far so good. 3 hours in the museum or so, 4 hours. Got to see literally everything. It was good. It was very good. Happy Wednesday. We're walking to class right now. We only got an hour class. We made some pancakes this morning. And then after class, we're going to head back to the room. And we got a lecture tonight, so I'll probably see between then. But yeah, easy day so far. Alright. So we're post-raid right now. We just went and did the alt form Giratina raid. We caught it. We also just got a shiny Lugia, which was cool, out of the week box. So that's my quick Pokemon Go update. After class today, we decided to check, and I remembered they were in raids now. So we went and did one of those raids, and we ended up catching it first try. Well, not first ball, but like fourth ball, but first raid, so that's all that matters. We might do some more, a couple other ones, because I have some premium raid passes and stuff, see if I can get like 2 or 3, see if I can get a good one. But it was pretty lucky. It was like 2 legendaries today, one of them shiny, and now we'll be able to get Meltan finally, because I got all the challenges for that, so it should be good. Alright, Thursday night, almost in Thursday fashion. We got some more KFC. Lectures are just getting more and more boring. We got a lot of work to do this weekend. A lot of projects to do, stuff that we have to try and focus on. Assignments that we have to finish. Papers that we have to write. Quizzes that we have to take for the weekend. So it should be a pretty full weekend of mostly just work, which is not ideal, but what you gotta do sometimes, so that way I don't get super behind trying to finish everything for next weekend also. But I just, you know, it's not too bad. Some of the work's kind of difficult now. It went from 0 to 100 real quick, so see how it goes. And I gotta meet up with my partner probably tomorrow, trying to figure out some code work. And that's about it. Most of it's just work I have to do myself. We're trying to catch up on Game of Thrones at the same time, though. We're rewatching it all before the premiere in a couple weeks, and I'm really excited for that. But until then, just gotta keep grinding at schoolwork. And yeah, so maybe I'll see you again this weekend. Otherwise, probably just do some closing video at some point.